Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through what to do if you can't search on TikTok. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, I'm going to open up TikTok here, and there are a couple different ways that you can search for things on TikTok. The very first and obvious way is at the very top right, there is a little search icon. I can tap that, and I can search for any kind of hashtags or videos or accounts that I want to. So say I want to search for Hawaii. So I can tap on that, and it'll show me videos from Hawaii or user sounds hashtags. I can search for those as well, so that's one way to search for things. But you'll notice that this doesn't show any of the filters. If you wanted to search for filters instead, it's not included in this search function. So let's go back here and go back to the normal screen. If you want to search for filters, you'll have to press the plus icon at the very bottom center here. It'll bring up your little camera, and you can see at the bottom left is effects. I'll tap on that, and it will show me all kinds of different effects or filters that TikTok has in the app. And now at the very top left, you'll see a circle with a line that removes the filter. Or right next to it is a little search icon. So I can tap that, and now I can search for different effects that I want to find. So I can search for fish here if I want a different fisheye cam, fisheye lens, whatever. I can tap on any of these and then use those different filters. Now, if this isn't working for you, if you go through these steps and you're unable to search, the next step that you can do is let's get out of here and let's tap on our settings. Once we're in settings, we will scroll down until we get to General and tap on General and then iPhone storage. We'll tap on that and then we will find TikTok here and offload the app. And then when it's ready, we'll reinstall this app. So by offloading and reinstalling it, we clear all the cache in TikTok. We reset the system files within the TikTok app. But we don't remove any of the drafts or posts that we posted or DMS, or your login or anything like that on TikTok itself. So that's a great way to kind of reinstall TikTok and get things reset. And hopefully your search is working at that point. If it's still not working, the next thing that you can do is tap Profile at the bottom right here. And then we can tap the three lines at the top right and then Settings and Privacy. Now, once we're in Settings and Privacy, we will scroll down. You can see Clear Cache here. We'll want to clear that cache just by tapping on it and then scrolling down to the bottom and hitting Log Out. So we'll log out of this account, hit Log Out, log back in, and then your search function should be working at that point. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.